Good afternoon and welcome to our casual version of the Counselor's Corner. I'm John. We're here with Shelene and Treasa. We thought we'd talk a little bit this morning about the mortgage process. And we encourage people to be home buyers. Home buyers really build communities. Treasa, what do you hear from our local lenders? What kind of a credit score are they looking for as far as qualifying for a mortgage?
For a mortgage, they typically are looking at a credit score ranging between 620 and 640. Of course, you know, if you have a higher credit score, you're probably going to get a better interest rate. But yeah, typically 620 to 640 is level for a mortgage.
Okay. A lot of the clients we get here want that immediate return on their credit score. They come to us almost desperate. They've talked to a lender. The lender says you don't qualify. You need an additional 20 to 25 points. And it's probably unrealistic to think that we can fix this for you overnight, but what is a realistic expectation as far as growing your credit score by 20, 25 points?
Well, everybody's situation is going to be different. You know, it depends on what's currently got your score down as to what you need to fix. And that's what we're here for, is to, you know, take a look at that and give you tips on how to increase that. It could be as quickly as, you know, a couple months up to a year to 2 years to get that score up.
Okay, thank you very much. Shelene, we'll turn to you. For people starting out, thinking about buying a home, buying their first home, what is the first step?
The first step should be looking at your financial situation. You know, are you ready to buy a home? What income do you have coming in? Is it steady income? Is it something reliable? You know, what expenses do you have? And are you making good financial decisions with those expenses that you feel confident, you know, if something were to come up as a homeowner, you could take care of that, whatever it might be. So that's the first step. The second step would then be to evaluate your credit report, your credit scores. You know, like Treasa said, come down here to Consumer Credit. We'll pull a credit report. We'll look to see what's going on. You know, if you do need some additional points or scores boost, then we can help you. We can point you in that direction of what you need to do to get those scores mortgage ready.
Okay, and from a lender's perspective, when you go in to apply for that mortgage loan, what kind of specific things is a lender going to be looking for?
They typically want to see some history. So you need to be able to show on your credit report that you've made on-time payments. Their minimal on-time monthly payment should be at least for 6 months. So having some history on a credit card, having some history on a loan. And as well, they don't want to see, you know, missed payments. You know, too many missed payments, of course, can pull down that score. But a lender's also going to look at that, and they're going to look at, you know, what's going on in the last 6 months, last year, and especially last 2 years. They also don't want to see too many collection accounts, so this is even medical. You know, anything over $1,000 sometimes can be a deal breaker and can often disqualify somebody for that mortgage.
Okay. For more information on the mortgage process, we're actually going to be doing a program at the Emerson Avenue branch of the Wood County Library on Tuesday, November the 15th from 6 until 7:30. It'll be a great program. There's no charge for attending. We'll have door prizes, light refreshments, and some great information. And that's Tuesday, November the 15th at the Emerson Avenue branch of the Wood County Library. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.